Good morning and welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to the YouTubers meet at Garage 16. As you can see behind me, we have a few vehicles ready to go. I am super hyped for this. The 10 Gen got detailed by DC Auto Squad and it looks immaculate. It's the cleanest it's ever been since we got it. We have the K-Swap Civic also. Alex is gonna be driving the K-Swap Civic. What's up? And then Mr. Mello is bringing his EF. What's up? This thing's so clean. We're gonna roll out now. We're gonna head down and hope to see you guys there. The K20 Civic looks so good. Like, I didn't expect it to look that good rolling. It's my first time actually seeing it being like driven by someone else. Damn, it looks good. We gotta do some proper rollers one day. Kind of adjust the height a little bit and dial some things in, but I'm telling you, this build's gonna be nuts. We are here, we are setting up, and I am super excited. I've already met one of you guys. I hope to see more of you guys soon. I'll show you the setup soon. We're just gonna enter into the Garage 16 and see what's up. Wow. You guys have a nice setup here. Holy moly, look at this. There's like everything here. So, if you guys don't know, this is where I work. And I'm living the dream now with my boy AJ and Rick. And yeah, so we will be open today too. I don't know, I'm telling you guys, it makes no sense because we past the opening day, but if you guys want to check us out, we're located in Mississauga, and as you see, this is our showroom alone, and we have tons and tons and tons of stuff here. Come check it out, come check the builds out, and yeah, super excited. Even the employee cars are badass, check that out. Bag 9 Gen, that thing looks sick. Good job, AJ. What's up, dude? There you go. This has been we're trying to slowly, Paul and I, grow the Canadian YouTube scene. Yes. So, as you see, you guys probably seen a few older videos, but Paul's builds are insane. All right, check up the lineup for now. I'm very, very sure it's gonna get busier than this, but we are still early. These are the early birds. We got some beautiful 10 Gens here. Check these guys out. Damn, 10 Gen gang is out. Look how nice this thing looks. That Mugen lip, I am so jealous. What a setup. This thing looks amazing. Look at this. This guy comes, he has his own shop in here. I see the W1 in there. Look at that 271 inlet. Yeah. I see that poking out over there. My man, this is gonna look sick. 271 intercooler. Damn. Good for you, bro. This picked it up. The man, the myth, the legend. Damn. The YouTubers meet is becoming fruitful now. Check it out. We're slowly but surely, everyone's starting to roll in. Milan's 9 Gen is absolutely crazy. This thing's amazing. Wow. Yo, you're alive? Famous, bro. You're alive? And then, because I heard Alex was here. Oh, you came because of course. Well, that's why I came. It is getting busy. Damn, looks good. What's up, dude? How are you? Good. Damn, that Fitment. Jeez. Potential future car, a BRZ FRS. What do you guys think? It'll be the 2020 most likely, but I think it's gonna be a badass build. God damn. Where is the EP3? That shirt though, huh? That shirt. So we have some goodies to give out.
We got some nice Stop Tech
air fresheners. Break last, finish first. I like that. There you, yeah.
It's not even Halloween, it's car Halloween.
Let's go.
There you go. Thanks. Me and Chris want to thank you guys for supporting our channels, our respective channels.
Yes.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate it, boys. There you go. Giving out.
Oh, there you go.
Awesome.
There you go. We got down there.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, this thing's right hand drive?
Oh shit! This thing's right-hand drive?
Clear tails and everything.
Those are hard to find. Damn. See, this is what I want to do. This
Yo, this thing's looking.
This is exactly what I want to do with a CRV. Look at this.
This thing's nice.
Look at this. Yeah, man, this thing's immaculate. This is one of my good buddies. Those seats and everything. God damn. People don't know, but I love BMWs. I'm a Honda guy. I love Beamers. This guy showed up with a right-hand drive CRV. You don't mess around, bro. Even the grill with the fogs and everything in it. Bro, you don't mess around, eh? This
Only missing a few options.
shit.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo. Damn. I'm telling you, I want to do a CRV build. I'm telling you, I want to do a CRV build. This thing looks sick. Damn. Guys, CRV build, this is gonna happen one day, I promise you guys. God damn. Exhaust on the side and everything. This is, god damn. The seats and everything are super clean. The cleanest CRX around. The cleanest CRX around. Look at that. Look at that. Everything's welded, all the holes, everything. Insane. Powder coated and everything. Insane. Even the seats and everything look insane. Check this out. So the whole point of this meet is to get all us YouTubers together and to collab and network, trying to build the Canadian YouTube scene, because I know out in Cali and the States, it's a lot bigger. But we found ourselves another 10 Gen channel, and I'm sure you guys do other things also.
Yeah.
Awesome. So plug yourself.
All right, so we're Explicit Boys on Instagram. That's XPLICIT Boys. We just started, but you know, we're just trying to not really get our name out there, but like we're just trying to meet people, you know, YouTubers like such as Chris, because Chris is a big one over here.
Oh, I appreciate
Everyone loves Chris. But yeah, you know, we're just going up to car meets
And trying to
pull up, just trying to
nice.
have fun, you know.
Good stuff. And what type of like videos you guys have on the channel?
Right now, like we just have, so me and him are both pilots. So
Oh, pilots, eh?
Yeah.
Damn, nice. Nice.
yeah, we do car vlogs and then we do like flying vlogs.
Yo, that's sick.
Yeah.
That's actually different. I like
Yeah.
that. I'm gonna have to check it out, definitely.
All right.
Flying vlogs too.
Chris, subscribe, yo.
Yeah.
Greatest feature in
It's
the
gonna
world.
be the best feeling ever.
Oh, this is absolutely awesome. So guys, make sure to check out their channel. The whole point of this is to explore different YouTube channels and check out flying vlogs. That is sick. Like, I think that's gonna get some attention there, definitely.
I hope so.
But the car lineup is super nice too.
you, man.
Like, good stuff, boys. Like, this is what, like 10 Gen, like super clean. Even the Jenny, damn, I like it. Damn, look at Caleb with the Pit Viper glasses. He's got the only Chris Lopes hat around, rocking some Jordans. Sheesh, damn. This is my main man. Oh, another YouTube sensation. What's up, dude? What's up? Park up. This thing looks insane. This thing is nuts. Hey, you know what he said? So remember I posted the perfect Subaru, right? He's like, buddy, you haven't driven in mine yet. That's why. Not yet. Damn. Mr. Danny. Yeah! Jesus Christ! Holy shit, bro! Ah! Damn! buddy. It's good to see this thing.
I can't even help but laugh.
Buddy, this thing handles nice. Let's go! God damn, Danny. This thing's absolutely crazy. Hey, can we get an actual review on this now?
Yeah, whatever you want.
Now you're on the road. It doesn't have to be on the track. This thing is nuts. Absolutely nuts. Look who it is again. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. How are you? Long time no see. What's up, dude? Where's your car? Wow, I literally just missed it. If you guys do not remember or you haven't seen, this was that crazy Speed 3 I reviewed. This thing, if you guys haven't watched the video, you gotta go check it out. This thing is wild. I really had a good time in it. This thing's absolutely insane. God damn. I love it, this thing, bro. I love it. With the Lowpes crest.
That's where the grill is, man.
Winnie, bro. You done good. Jeez. Like, I like the back seats. I actually like that bamboo. Yo, this thing is clean. This thing, oh, it's on bags, eh? Were you? Wow. This thing is so clean. This is absolutely amazing. They made a 3-hour trek to come down and check out the meet. I really appreciate it, and this is absolutely awesome. Now all we gotta do is get their car, and we gotta park it up so we can check it out.
Go get it.
But they got it. But I really appreciate you guys coming out. Thank you so much. That is awesome. It is very clean though. I wanna go back to OEM grill with the silver H too. This looks super clean, and I appreciate you guys coming all the way out from Kingston. About a 3-hour drive. The exhaust looks like it's meant to be, right? Wow. As you see, we're both vlogging. We're both finishing off our vlogs. I hope I'm getting it there. I think
Oh yeah, you got it.
Okay.
You're in mine. So
We are both finishing off our vlogs,
Yes,
and
we are.
we just want to say thank you to everyone who came out. This meet was absolutely insane.
We did not expect the amount of people that actually came out.
Yeah.
And we thank you guys so much for coming to spend your Saturday with us, picking our brains, showing you guys cars.
All right, boys and girls, we're gonna finish it off here.
Okay. Yep.
You do your outro, I do my outro. You go first.
You go first.
Just send it.
Just send it.
Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Do it once.
Do it right. Peace.
Peace.